For the last 24 hours, I did a little experiment. I wanted to see if I can make real money using an app called Freecash. Now you might have seen a lot of YouTubers talking about it, showing withdrawal proofs, PayPal payments, even crypto payouts. Some even claim they are making $50 or $100 a day. But the real question is, what actually happens when a normal person like me downloads it and tries it for just one day? So today I will show you exactly how much I earned step by step in 24 hours. I started by signing up on Freecash. The process was simple. I just used my Gmail ID and instantly I got a 10-cent sign up bonus. Not bad, right? Earning money within seconds of logging in feels motivating. But then I checked the withdrawal options and realized the minimum payout is $5. So the challenge was clear. Can I get anywhere close to $5 in 24 hours? The first option Freecash shows is paid surveys. They looked really attractive. Surveys showing payouts of 50 cents, $1, even $2. I thought, okay, this is where I can make some good money quickly. So I clicked one. I started smoothly. I was answering questions about my age, my interests, my shopping habits. After 5 minutes, it said, sorry, you are not eligible. I tried another one. Same thing. I must have tried 4 to 5 surveys, but every time I ended up being disqualified. At this point, I realized surveys are not as easy as they look. They promise a lot, but you don't always qualify. Have you ever faced this? You spend so much time on a survey only to get rejected at the end. If yes, let me know in the comments, because I know I'm not the only one. Now, Freecash also has a section for offers and games. This is where you can earn money by installing apps or completing simple tasks. I found one simple offer. Download this game, play, and earn over $500. That sounded crazy. So I installed the game, played for about 15 to 20 minutes, and yes, after finishing the required level, 12 cents was instantly credited to my Freecash wallet. This was the first real earning I made through the app, and honestly, it felt great because at least something worked. Now, Freecash also advertises other ways to earn: watching ads, completing higher paying offers, referring friends. But within 24 hours, I didn't manage to make money from those. The big highlight of my day was the sign up bonus and game off. Now let's add it up all. Sign up bonus 10 cents, surveys $0, games 12 cents. So the final balance is 22 cents in 24 hours. Final thoughts. So is Freecash legit? Yes, absolutely. I credited the exact money I earned. No fake numbers, no scams. But is it fast? Not really. In one full day, I only made 22 cents. That's not even close to the $5 needed for withdrawal. Now if you spend more days, complete higher value offers, or bring referrals, you can definitely earn more. I have seen proof that people do cash out, but for a casual user in just 24 hours, the earnings are very small.